Expensify Honest Review, watch before using. Expensify is a powerful expense management app designed for individuals and businesses who need to track receipts, manage expenses, and streamline reimbursements effortlessly. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or part of a larger organization, Expensify aims to simplify your financial tracking with key features like receipt scanning, automated expense categorization, and seamless integration with accounting tools like QuickBooks and Xero. One of its standout features is Smart Scan, which lets you snap a picture of a receipt, and Expensify will automatically pull the details, categorize it, and store it for you. The app also allows for real-time collaboration with teams, enabling managers to approve or reject expenses from anywhere. For businesses, Expensify provides multi-level approval workflows, custom expense policies, and corporate card reconciliation, which can significantly cut down the time spent on month-end financial processes. You can set spending limits, create custom reports, and even auto-generate travel itineraries when booking through the platform. It's clear that Expensify was made for users who value efficiency and want a reliable system to avoid manual entry and reduce human error. The mobile app works seamlessly with both iOS and Android, meaning you can manage your expenses from anywhere. However, while Expensify offers a lot of convenience, it does come with a learning curve, especially if you're not familiar with expense management systems. The free version is quite limited, mostly catering to individuals, while its premium options are more robust but come at a cost. This is ideal for businesses with frequent expense reporting needs, but for occasional users, the monthly fees might feel steep. Additionally, the automation features, while handy, can sometimes miscategorize expenses, so you'll still need to review them periodically. Overall, Expensify is a great tool if you're looking for a reliable, feature-rich solution to simplify your expense management. It shines in automating tedious tasks, and if you're running a business or frequently traveling, it can save you a ton of time. Just be prepared to invest some time upfront to learn the platform and decide whether the cost is worth it based on your needs.